the top and dives down toward the ground, watching the altitude, watching the airspeed, watching the runway, because he's coming by very low and very fast. Hesitation rolls, rolling it upside down, stopping, going back to upright, to the left, to the right. Now watch as he climbs vertically once again. Now the airspeed is dropping to 0. He's going to slide backwards. He's actually doing about a minus 30 miles an hour as he slides back down through the smoke trail in the tail slide. But look, he rolls it upside down, stops it down, and drives. All of that great big propeller. And the 385 horsepower Lycoming engine that's driving this MX-2. Now watch right at show center as Rob gathers a little bit of speed. It's tumbling out of that vertical tumble where the tail comes up over the nose. It seems like it's out of control, but yet he stopped it precisely.